Rodrigo Garcia.
Hi guys, I am Peyton.
Hello everyone, I'm Jesus.
I found Ricky on Instagram.
I came across Ricky Gutierrez.
So I started watching Ricky's YouTube videos like last year of this month.
So with this Learn, Plan, Profit, I like to call it community. You're going to be getting a few different things. You're going to be getting this course that he obviously has to offer.
And besides the courses, what you also get is you get to watch Ricky trade live every single morning.
The Learn, Plan, Profit Discord community gave me peers to improve myself with.
Ricky promised to teach me, show me, demonstrate how to be successful in the stock market.
Ricky's trading style was safe. His teaching style was easy to understand.
Ricky's course actually teaches you how to become a successful trader on your own.
Now you might be asking yourself, what makes Ricky different than all those other day trading gurus? He has the heart of a teacher. That's the biggest difference.
And so I just made the investment myself, and I will say it's the best.
So I bought the course and it was one of the best things I've done.
So do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, get the course, and just make money, man.